THINKWARE ARC700 4K Dashcam Review. Does Premium really deliver proof when it matters?
Ever had someone back into you in a parking lot, then drive off like nothing happened? You're standing there furious, zero evidence, and your insurance says, sorry, can't help without proof. I watched a friend go through this exact nightmare. His old dash cam caught the hit, but the footage was so blurry the license plate was completely unreadable. Useless. Ever feel like your current dash cam is basically decorative?
That knot in your stomach every time you walk back to your parked car, wondering what you'll find? The racing heart when someone cuts you off and you realize your 1080p camera probably didn't catch their plate? Wasted money on cheap cameras that overheat, corrupt files, or record potato-quality footage? Standard fixes failed. There must be a calmer, smarter way to protect yourself with actual clarity and control.
Then everything changed when I found the THINKWARE ARC700 4K HDR dashcam. Here's the thing, don't just pick any dashcam. Make sure it has a Sony Starvis IMX415 sensor with true 4K resolution, so you never suffer blurry, useless footage when it matters most. Literally, everyone complains about. Again, this system delivers stunning 4K UHD front recording at 30 frames per second, paired with a crisp 2K QHD rear camera, both enhanced by HDR processing that balances bright sunlight and dark shadows perfectly. Entering tunnels, facing headlights, reading plates in any light condition. It includes low-power parking mode with hardwiring cable and 64 GB micro SD card in the box, so you get complete 24/7 surveillance without buying extras separately. Built-in GPS logs speed and location data, thermal protection prevents overheating shutdowns in extreme heat, and Wi-Fi connectivity lets you download clips instantly to your phone. Let me be honest, I watched a rideshare driver nearly lose a liability case until his ARC700 footage showed the other car running a red light in perfect 4K detail, timestamp, speed, and GPS coordinates embedded. The relief on his face said everything. This isn't just recording, it's bulletproof evidence whenever you need it most.
Here's where it gets better. Daily life shifts from anxious parking lot checks to genuine calm. You know every incident is captured in crystal clarity, front and rear, day or night, without question. Time saved arguing with insurance adjusters translates to faster claims and zero finger-pointing, because 4K footage doesn't lie or leave room for doubt. A professional automotive tech journalist tested this against Blackview and Viofo competitors, noting the Sony sensor's night performance was genuinely stunning with cleaner low-light footage than cameras costing significantly more. Real rideshare drivers report the parking mode captured hit and runs with plates perfectly readable, even at dusk or in dim garage lighting. An industry analyst highlighted the thermal protection as essential for hot climates, preventing the overheating failures plaguing cheaper models during summer heat waves. Worried about installation complexity? The included hardwiring cable requires professional install for parking mode, but most car audio shops complete it in under 2 hours, and it's worth every minute for true 24/7 protection without battery drain. Concerned about file sizes eating storage? The 64 GB card holds 3 to 5 hours of dual 4K plus 2K recording, and loop recording automatically manages space efficiently. Is premium pricing justified for a dashcam? Thousands of drivers, fleet managers, and Uber professionals already rely on the THINKWARE ARC700 daily, and one clear accident recording pays for itself instantly. Does elite video quality actually matter in real life? The data, the testimonials, and the saved insurance claims prove it completely and convincingly.
Imagine driving with total confidence. Every trip recorded in perfect 4K clarity. Every parking session monitored intelligently. Every potential incident captured with evidence-grade detail. No more blurry plates. No more he said, she said disputes. Just calm, bulletproof protection daily. Thousands of professionals and everyday drivers already trust the THINKWARE ARC700 4K HDR dashcam for this exact peace of mind. The system delivers that transformation with proven reliability. Check the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment for full specs, installation options, and current availability. Full disclosure, I earn a small commission if you purchase. Explore today. Protect yourself with clarity.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.